And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I have another awesome video for y'all. I have a video on tips for small streamers from another small streamer. But me, I don't consider myself a big streamer, a medium streamer, anything. Myself consider myself a small streamer on YouTube. But I just wanted to give people advice because people do come to me for advice on my channel for streamings, and this is just stuff that I picked up that of course I want to share with y'all in case y'all are smaller than me, just need some help, you know. I got some tips for y'all. So I had planned out some stuff, you know, girl trying to be organized and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I have a couple tips for y'all. They're nothing major. I'm gonna tell y'all about how to bring in more traffic on your streams and quality of the streams, stuff like that. So yeah, but let me go ahead and get into the tips for you guys. Alright, so the first tip that I have is be yourself. Be yourself. Don't be Pokimane, don't be Valkyrie, don't be Daquan, don't be Tfue, don't be anybody. Be yourself. Don't try to be like other streamers. Don't have the same things as they, like, don't try to copy somebody's personality is what I'm trying to say. Be genuine, and people will attract to you. People will grasp at your personality. People subscribe to you for either your gameplay or your personality. And if you don't have either one of those, then you just SOL. I'm just saying. Just being honest here. If you don't have good gameplay, you better have a good personality. If you don't have a good personality, you better have some bomb AF gameplay. So that's just how it is. But yeah, be yourself. Be 100% yourself. Be real. Don't be somebody fake. If you're the type of person that cusses up a storm and rages all the time, be that. Do that. There's people that are attracted to that. So that's the number one tip that I have for any and everybody. Be yourself. Number 2, quality and quantity. Okay, so I'm gonna get into the quality part first. Now, the quality of my streams I think is decent. It's not the best quality out there. There's some things that I need to improve. I need a better PC because as of lately my streams have been lagging so badly. I think it's the processor. It's like getting run down or something like that. So I want to get a whole new better PC than the one that I have because it's crap. It's a Cybertron. You don't necessarily need a whole PC. You don't need the triple monitor, the LED lights with the gaming chair. You don't need all that to grow as a streamer. A lot of streamers didn't grow with that. A lot of streamers literally grew off of PlayStation with the PlayStation camera, with the headset, with the mic. That's it. That's literally all you really need. And some good internet so you're not lagging. That's really pretty much all you need. You don't need the whole setup that I have. I have 2 monitors. I have a light up keyboard with a light up mouse, the long keyboard, and then the PC. You don't need all that. So quality is important, but to an extent it's important. You just have to make sure your gameplay is clear. You don't need something that's extra pixelated. You don't need a laggy stream because people will automatically leave your stream. The first couple of seconds is important when somebody comes in your stream. So that means you constantly have to be on your A game the whole entire stream so you can grasp people's attention. There's people coming in and out of your streams all the time. It may not be every single second, but probably pretty much every single second. There's people coming in and out of your streams. In and out. So you have to be entertaining the whole time. You have to be interactive the whole time. Alright, next up is quantity. I don't know if I got my whole point across before. I kind of lost my train of thought. I was kind of just everywhere with that. Now for quantity, you have to be consistent with streaming. You can't just stream for like a week straight and then disappear for like 2 weeks or like a week. You have to at least stream 3 days throughout the week is what I say. That's the minimum. at least stream 3 days throughout the week. You have to have some type of consistency so that your viewers will constantly like know like, okay, they're gonna come back and I can't wait to see them. Not make it to the point to where you'll stream and then they don't see you for like 3 months and then you come out of nowhere and they completely forget about you. They're like, who is this? We have somebody else that we can watch, because you're not consistent. There was a point in time that I wasn't consistent with my channel, and that kind of killed my channel at a point. So I had to rebuild it from there, because there was like points in time where I was taking like 2 months off, 1 month off kind of period. You have to be consistent or you're gonna kill off your channel or your stream. Tip number 3 is be different. You want to be different. You don't want to be like everybody else. You don't. This kind of falls in with tip 1 with the be yourself kind of thing, but it's kind of different. So that's why I made it into a separate tip. Excuse me. Nobody wants to see the same thing over and over and over and over again. For example, Valkyrie. I keep using Valkyrie because I love her. Okay, say there's me and there's Valkyrie. Okay, Valkyrie has this bright personality. She's funny. She's good at freaking Fortnite and everything, and she's freaking gorgeous AF. But then there's me, and I copy her exact style, her exact attitude, her exact stream format, every single detail. People are not gonna watch me. They're gonna be like, you're just copying Valkyrie. Like, you can't do that. Don't copy somebody exactly or you will get hate for it. For one, you'll get hate, and 2, nobody's gonna watch you, because it's like, why watch you when we can watch this person, which is the exact same thing and does the exact same thing as you do. Yeah, be different, be unique, just be different. Bring something different to your stream. Your personality could bring in something totally different. Like, I feel like my personality is different from other people that I've seen and watched when it comes to YouTube gaming. I don't know how else to explain it. Just be different. Number 4, be active on other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Share your videos, share your streams. You go out somewhere and you strike up a conversation with somebody, y'all talking about gaming. You'd be like, yeah, I have a gaming channel. You should really check it out. You know, plug yourself. You gotta network yourself out there. You can't just stream on YouTube and not do anything. You gotta network yourself out there. Connect with different YouTubers or other streamers. Make friends with other streamers and stream together. Do dual streams. Connect with different people, because those people can attract more people to your audience, and your audience can go to their audience. Y'all audiences mixed together with somebody else. It's networking, basically like networking. But at the same time, you're making friends as well. YouTube friends are amazing. I've met a lot of amazing friends because of YouTube, and I'm really grateful for every single one of them. Y'all are awesome. I love y'all to the moon and back, and y'all are like better friends than friends that I have in real life, except for like my best friends, of course. But like, you get what I'm saying. I don't got any friends in real life anyways. I just got 2 best friends and that's it. Be active on social media. Share your stuff. Put your stuff out there. Put yourself out there. You know, comment under other people's stuff. You like, say Pokemon just dropped a video and you comment, I love the video, blah 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 blah. There's a chance that somebody's scrolling through the comments and they'll see you. They'll click on your channel, because I've done that plenty of times. Like, I'll scroll through I always scroll through comments, like reading comments. If like something is fishy or funny about the video, I'll scroll through the comments. And sometimes if I see like a funny comment or something, I'll click on that person's channel and I'll be like, oh, they do this, this, and this. That's cool. And maybe I'll subscribe to them. There's stuff like that. But you just got to put yourself out there. You got to be active on your social media. So definitely, that's a major tip right there. That was pretty much all I had on the thing on my list. I couldn't personally think of anything else. But these are just basically tips for people starting off on the channel or wanting to grow more. But like I said, I don't have the most subscribers. I have a small channel. It's not a big channel or anything like that. I have 7,000 subscribers. So it's not, I'm not a big channel, not anybody important. I'm just an average person. I'm giving tips that may help somebody, may or not. If y'all like this video and y'all thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't think it was helpful, give it a thumbs up anyways. If you love me, give it a thumbs up. Even if you hate me, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Y'all most likely gonna give it a dislike. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, like I said, if you want something on like equipment, like good equipment for beginners, let me know and I'll make a video like that. Definitely will. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and join the Dawn Squad because we lit all the time. And make sure you share this video as well and turn on your notifications. If they are not turned on, make sure your notifications are on so you get notified every time I upload or when I stream. I'm starting to upload more, so be prepared for this come up this year, okay? I love y'all and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.